My name is Clyde. I'm from Zimbabwe. I'm studying the package of Diploma in Community Service, Certificate 4 in Aging Support. What drew me, it was closer to family. Because I have family in Sydney, but I also needed a chance to be in the field that I'm passionate about, in the health sector, and to work with people, to learn cultural diversity. I'm passionate about working with people. As I'm growing, as I'm learning more, I've realized I'm going to be doing social work somewhere. I love to learn because I get to see how other people do it. So I get to learn how I should do it. It's just a journey full of surprises, and I love those surprises. Here, I've actually met a different set of friends, people who see the world differently, who think differently. And, I now have the challenge to adapt to how they think. That cultural sensitivity, that emotional sensitivity. Now I know how people react to different situations, and I've grown. I feel like I've grown so much in the past year. This place is just rich with people. They're lovely, they will take you in and make you part of their family. They're gonna go the extra mile. That's just what I love about this place. If you're someone that's thinking about studying at Bedford, the place is welcoming, the place is loving, but what you learn from here is priceless.